Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to be overhauling this Park petrol lighter insert. As you can see, the wick is missing, and it appears as though the flint is seized in the tube. So, get to work here. Move the flint spring screw. These aluminum inserts in these Park lighters from the, I think, basically 1960s, maybe the 50s, have a tendency to be hard to clear these tubes in, so we'll see how we fare today. Now, since we already know that we are not just clearing the flint tube, but also going to be re-wicking it and basically overhauling it of all its replaceable parts, then we might as well go ahead and get this get all this wadding out of here so we can hopefully not soil it and be able to reuse it. Yeah, this is all going to come out in one piece. So I don't see any evidence of a wick there, so looks nice and clean. So you can see here the distance. It's definitely not making it, but it looks like it's mostly all the way up there in the neck of it. So hopefully we can get through here without too much trouble. See that dust fall out of there? Change the bit here to our 3/32. And it feels as though it's clear. We'll go ahead and go blow that out. See if we need to yeah, let me find a brush. We'll brush off that wheel a little bit. I'm gonna go blow that out again real quick. Just cleaning this up with some alcohol here to just get some of that buildup and grime out of that chimney. Get that nice and clean for put the new wick in. So get your wick here, trim down, cut down like a cone or wedge. Just want a small profile that you can twist down through there. Just get the hole, the wick placed in it. Slight pressure as you twist. The wick height is really a personal preference. I like to keep mine just below the height of the chimney, so I just hold it there in place. So this all had one piece. You want to get that wadding worked back in there and the wick work throughout that throughout the tank of the lighter, interspersed with the wick with the wadding as evenly as possible. So you may have to go ahead and shape your wick or bend it to how you want it to then make it easier to get your wadding in place. So we got it in there nice and tight. Get our wick positioned. And then we will get our felt pad back on here. Flint. front spring screw. If you like these kind of instructional videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to go ahead and get this fueled up. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Copy the link. Send that off in a text, email, social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions about park lighters or any kind of petrol lighter at all below. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms, be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course follow us on eBay. Until next time.